My name is Thomas and welcome to my Lettercraft channel. In this video I'm going to talk probably the most frequent asked question after I upload any of my crafting type videos. Where to find this tool? Actually, to answer these questions I'll leave link in video description, but you can find this tool on eBay, Amazon, AliExpress and such places under the name chisel pliers. This tool solves couple problems. First, you can control position on both sides of craft and make even holes on every side. And second problem for some people is noise which being created by hammering mallet with the chisel. This tool doesn't make any sound which can distract others. As this tool is Chinese made, it's not the best quality, but at least it's possible to work with it. I would love to see on the market such tool just to be made of precise and quality materials. As I saw, it's available only in diamond shape and makes 1mm size diamond shape holes. Mine is 4mm step. For me it works fine as I use quite thick 1mm thread in my craft. For thin threads such as 0.5mm or less, I think it won't look good. Usually I mark places of holes with pricking iron, then finishing other side with these pliers, and stitch looks nice and even on both sides. On the round corners I use only pricking irons. It makes corners look more neat. That's it what I wanted to share. Hope it helps. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!